Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my video. Today we are going to be making beef shin and it's totally awesome. So beef shin is basically a type of beef and it has an awesome and it's really juicy when you cook it. So you guys should really try it and let's get started. For this recipe we are going to be needing 1 kg of beef shin, and so this is what it looks like if you didn't know, and this. Okay. And we'll also be needing 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mustard, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of tamarind, and that's basically imli paste, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So let's get started. First step to making this awesome beef steak is to prepare the spices, and for that we are going to be first adding in our 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mustard, half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of honey. Make it rain. Yeah. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of tamarind or imli paste, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now, mixing. I'm gonna whisk it, and we're just gonna mix everything together. The Worcestershire sauce in this is the thing that gives the steak the real glaze and, you know, the beauty. There. Now this is well mixed. We're ready to marinate our beef. Now we're gonna be marinating our beef shin in the sauces that we just mixed together. Just gonna put it in there. Buried inside. Take it out. Place it over here. How well marinated does it look? Pick the next one, dip it in, push it, take it out. Ah, beautiful. Thing is, it's very messy. Wear a glove, or you'll be covered in the sauce. You smell like steak. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna do this with the rest of them. Made some space for the last one, and here it goes. This is very big. Here. It's well covered. Here it can go in its cozy little space. I'm just gonna drizzle the rest of this sauce on top. So this is the last of our sauce. I'm just gonna take my gloves off. Throw them in the bin, and I'm gonna refrigerate this for around 1 hour so that the spices get soaked into the beef. Okay, so I've taken our beef out of the refrigerator and it looks and smells amazing already. Okay, I have a pan here, and you can do this in a griller and a barbecue if you want, but I'm using this one so you get the lines and the design. Alright, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil that you have available, but I like using olive oil. 1, number 2, and number 3 in there. So that's 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. And now all the beef can go inside. I'm just gonna put all of these in here. And the last one. There. Okay, now what I'm just going to do is all the spices that are in this, I'm just gonna drizzle it everywhere. Because you want that taste. The enriching flavor. Okay, there. Now, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take this to the stove, close this, and turn the stove on. Okay, along with these beef shins, I have some potatoes cooking here, and I will attach the recipe for this at the end. And I should really try these. So this beef will cook in 40 to 45 minutes because we want it to be well done, and so be patient. Okay, our beef steak has been cooking for around 40 to 45 minutes and it is ready. So I'm going to turn the stove off, bring it off the stove. Oh god, it's heavy. Okay, so this is a special platter in which you can keep your steaks, in this case our beef shin steak, and this will help your food be warm. So I'm gonna bring this over to my counter. Potatoes, our beef shin, and the bechamel sauce, along with lemons over here. I'm gonna take one of the steak pieces. Ooh, into the hot. The potatoes. I'm gonna add the lemons. Not now. Bechamel sauce. And there you have it. Brown. The potatoes. There you have it, your beef steak. And you can see the smoke coming, and it smells amazing. Wow. You guys should really try this recipe, and if you don't, well then that's just sad. Well, there you have it, your beef shin steak is ready. You guys should really try this recipe, and if you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos, and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye! Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making platter potatoes. You may be wondering what that is, but they're awesome at the end, so keep watching to know how to make them. For this recipe, we're going to be needing 1 kg of sliced potatoes. They should be around ½ an inch thick, so you want them to be like this. You need 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of kalonji or black seed, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, along with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm gonna pour all the spices here. Take the olive oil, measure out 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's this special way which I like to mix my marinations. Close the box, shake it, and you can see it's done within 2 seconds. mixed evenly. Haha. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring my pan over here and put our potatoes into this and cook them. Stove off. I'm gonna cook these till the potatoes are soft. Potatoes have been cooking and they are finally ready. They look amazing, don't they? You guys should really try this recipe and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you there. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye! Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making bechamel sauce. This can go with anything you're making, any pasta or steak. And for this recipe, we're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of salted butter and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Therefore, I'm not adding salt separately. So if you're only using unsalted butter, then add 1 teaspoon of salt separately. And I'm also using any chicken stock cube that you have, or any stock that you have, and there's already salt in this as well, so again I'm not putting salt. And I have 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So let's start pan preheating here, and I'm going to add in the butter first. I'm going to let that melt a bit. And now you can start to see it's melting. I'm going to add in the flour. I'm going to change to my whisk because we do not want any lumps. You can still see that the butter is not fully melted. You just want to continuously whisk this. Okay, so I'm going to add in the chicken stock. Okay. Some of it is not diluted, but don't worry, it will be on the stove. I'm just going to add in our milk into this. I need to whisk this. And of course the black pepper. So that's 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have a small spoon, so that's why 2 of these is equal to 1. And I'm just gonna let this cook until it thickens. Okay, now as you can see, our sauce has gone thick and it's ready. You can turn the stove off. And there you have it, your bechamel sauce is ready to serve. See, I have taken the bechamel sauce off the stove. I'm just going to convert it to my bowl over here. It smells so good. You guys can try this with any thing that you have. And just drizzle it on top for taste. But I'm having this with the steak that I'm preparing right now. So there you have it. I'm just cleaning the edges of my bowl here. And this could be served with any steak, beef steak, lamb steak, chicken steak, or any kind of pasta that you have. So you should try this recipe. And this is it. You have your bechamel sauce. Subscribe and share my videos, and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll see you there. Bye.